to the wall of the heart. It means to the wall of the auricles and to the wall of the ventricles for their normal function. Normal function means it is nothing but the contraction and relaxation of the heart for double pumping mechanism. So I think you understand the blood supply to the heart. So next part of the blood circulation in human beings is heartbeat and cardiac cycle. Heartbeat and cardiac cycle, or it is nothing but heart action. Heartbeat, heart action, or heartbeat, or the cardiac cycle. So what is this? What is heartbeat? What is cardiac cycle, or what is heart action? The pumping of blood by the heart. The pumping of blood by the heart is mainly due to the, or it is accomplished by the contraction of the muscles of the heart. Contraction of the muscles of the heart. That is nothing but the contraction and relaxation of auricles and the contraction and relaxation of ventricles. As we know, the contraction is referred as systole. Relaxation or expansion is referred as diastole. The contraction of auricles is called auricular systole and relaxation of auricles is called auricular diastole, and contraction of ventricles is ventricular systole and relaxation of ventricles or expansion of ventricles is ventricular diastole. During auricular diastole means during relaxation, during expansion of these auricles, the auricles are filled with blood. Auricles are filled with blood means the right auricle is with deoxygenated blood, left auricle is with oxygenated blood. That is during auricular diastole. At that time, the ventricles are in systolic state. Remember that. At that time, the ventricles are in systolic state. When auricles contracted, in the sense when auricles are in systole, the blood is pumped into the ventricles. Means the ventricles are in diastole. The ventricles are in diastole. Similarly, when the ventricles are in systole, they pump the blood to the pulmonary artery and to the aorta. At that time, auricles are in diastole. This will take place alternatively. This constitutes the heartbeat or cardiac cycle. We will define the alternative contraction and relaxation of auricles and ventricles. The alternative contraction and relaxation of auricles and ventricles followed by a short pause. Understand? The alternative contraction and relaxation of auricles and ventricles followed by a short pause is called one cardiac cycle, or that constitutes one heartbeat. I will repeat the definition. The alternative contraction and relaxation of auricles and ventricles followed by a short pause. Pause means a very small resting period. Very small resting period. That is in terms of fractions of milliseconds. Very small resting period after contraction and relaxation of auricles and ventricles followed by a short pause. Again, the contraction and relaxation of auricles and ventricles takes place. This is that constitutes one cardiac cycle, or it is nothing but one heartbeat. And we know in a normal adult human being, heart beats 75 times per minute. 75 times per minute. For one beat, for one cardiac cycle, it will take time for about 0.8 seconds. Within 8 seconds, alternatively, auricles contracted and ventricles expanded. Ventricles contracted and auricles are relaxed. Understand? This is about heartbeat and the cardiac cycle. Then the types of heart. In animals, there are two types of heart. One is neurogenic heart, another one is myogenic heart. Sometimes or many times it has been asked the heartbeat, cardiac cycle, then heart action for 2 marks, and also neurogenic heart and myogenic heart for 2 marks. So neurogenic heart means the heartbeat is originated and stimulated by a nerve ganglion located near the heart. By a nerve ganglion, it is by the nervous stimulation, and it is accelerated by a neurohumor, that is acetylcholine, which is secreted by the nerve endings. That is secreted by the nerve endings. That is in case of the arthropods. The heart of arthropods is neurogenic heart. Myogenic heart. Myo refers to muscles. The heartbeat is originated and stimulated by a spatial muscular tissue. Originated and stimulated by a spatial muscular tissue, which is located at the vicinity of the heart. That is nothing but SAN. SAN. SAN means sino-auricular node or sino-atrial node, which is located on the wall of the right auricle. This is a spatial muscular tissue which is responsible for the alternative contraction and relaxation of heart chambers, that is heartbeat. This SAN is called pacemaker or pace setter. This SAN is called pacemaker or pace setter. In all vertebrates, including mammals, human beings, the heart is myogenic. The heart is myogenic. Yes, I think you will understand what I discussed today, what I explained today. That is about the blood supply to the heart, heartbeat, heart action, cardiac cycle, and then the types of heart in case of animals. And the other part of the blood circulation topic we're going to discuss in the next class or in the next video. Thank you.